What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use the Claude in order to learn a new language. Here you guys can see that I have given a prompt where I just tell him that I want to learn Turkish language. Avoid be specific. As a beginner, I don't have any sort of information about it. So there are two options that I can go ahead and just start a voice call mode, but as a beginner, it won't be helpful because I am not very proficient in speaking the Turkish language. But what I can do is to start a learning plan. So it gave me a 12-week learning plan where week 1 and 2 will be the foundation Turkish alphabet and pronunciations, where week 3 and 4 is to be the engine of Turkish has no verb or to be. Instead, it uses the personal suffixes attached directly to the word. Week 5, 6 will be the case system, Turkish marks nouns. Week 7, 8 will be the verbs and tenses. Week 9 and 10 will be the relocation of Turkish tailored to your Turkey move. And then week 11 and 12, conversation and immersion model verbs. So it gave me like daily structure of 45 to 60 minutes, and I can work on it with the starting lesson over here at the beginning. So yeah, you guys can also do it and work on it and find it, helpful to learn new languages around the corner. So this is how you guys can do it. See you in the next one.